Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're having an issue with Windows 10 or Windows 11 is stuck at the error message. Please wait. So some common reasons why this issue appears, please wait, are unsuccessful update, hardware failure, corrupt hard drive, and malware infections. And then I'll show you how to solve this problem. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run Windows Update Troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots, and under dito lang sa options ay kailangan mo i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So, i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. At dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung run. So, i-click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And then, troubleshooting has completed. And next step, so close lang natin tong troubleshoot settings. And then, other solutions na pwede natin gawin is to disable Windows services. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. So, once na-open mo na tong services and services local, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Error Reporting. So, once na-locate mo na tong Windows Error Reporting services, and then click mo lang siya and double-click. And then dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa general, and dito lang sa startup type, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and i-click mo lang dito yung disabled. And then dito sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung apply, and click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa Windows Error Reporting Service, and the next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung networkless service. So kailangan lang natin yan i-locate yung networkless service. So same procedure, select and double click. And dito sa general, and then dito sa startup type, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan and select mo lang dito yung disabled. At dito sa baba, i-click mo lang dito yung apply and click mo lang dito yung okay. And then after dito sa networkless service, and the next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung network locations awareness. Okay? So same procedures, and then kailangan mo lang i-select and double click. At dito lang sa general, and then dito sa startup type, so i-click mo ulit yung arrow na yan and select mo lang dito yung disabled. And i-click mo lang dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. In hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run SFC and DSIM tool. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na DSIM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. So copy lang natin yan, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+C, and dito ay kailangan i-paste natin yan, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B, and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image and servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And then 100% complete and the operations completed successfully. And again, and the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na SFC space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And then verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong si ND at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix stuck on please wait screen and Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.